Many of you ask me, how are you going to get paid when you work on Upwork, or how can you get your money from Upwork to your Nigerian bank account? So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I get my money from Upwork to my Nigerian bank account. So the process to get your money from Upwork to your Nigerian bank account is actually very easy. When you set up your profile, when you create your new profile on Upwork, you are going to provide your banking information. You are going to choose how you get paid, and you can choose to get paid directly to your local bank account, which is your Nigerian bank account. And when you choose this, you can set it up. You can add your Nigerian bank account, your account number, your account name, and all the necessary details that Upwork are going to use to send you your money directly to your Nigerian bank account. And when you add your Nigerian bank account, when you work on Upwork, the money will be in review. When the review period ended, you will get your money. You will be able to withdraw your money directly to your Nigerian bank account. So this is actually the easiest way to get your money from Upwork to your Nigerian bank account. But I haven't used this way in about 2 years, and we will get to the reason. If you withdraw your money from Upwork are going to take $3, which is the payment processing fee. And after that, if you add your Nigerian bank account, they are going to deposit the money to your Nigerian bank account. But note that you can only add an account in Naira. And if you add your Naira account, Upwork are going to convert your money, which you get paid in dollars. They are going to convert the dollars into Naira and deposit it to your Nigerian Naira bank account. And even if you have a dollar account, you cannot add it in Upwork as a local bank account. You have to add an account in Naira. And you know the difference between official rate and the market rate if you are changing dollar. So Upwork are going to convert the dollar that you have in Upwork and deposit it to your Nigerian bank account in Naira, and they are going to use the official rate. And for that reason, I don't like to withdraw to my Nigerian Naira bank account, because you know the difference between the market rate and the official rate when you are changing dollar. So the process that I follow to withdraw my money from Upwork to my Nigerian bank account, I first created a dollar account here in Nigeria, and then I create my account in Payoneer. It's free and easy to create an account in Payoneer. I think you will have to provide some documentation to verify your account, but that is what I did. I created my account in Payoneer, and then I added my Nigerian dollar account to my Payoneer account. And instead of withdrawing my money from Upwork to my Nigerian bank account, I withdraw my money from Upwork to my Payoneer account, to my Payoneer payment card. And when Upwork send my money to Payoneer, then I can withdraw my money from Payoneer to my Nigerian dollar account, so that I can withdraw my money in dollar. So that is how I have been withdrawing my money from Upwork for the past 2 years. The downside of using Payoneer is, if you withdraw from Upwork to your Payoneer account, Upwork are going to take their $3 payment processing fee, and when you withdraw from Payoneer to your Nigerian dollar account, Payoneer are going to take $10. That is the minimum. Depending on how much you are withdrawing, they are going to take the minimum of $10 processing fee. You are going to have to pay extra $10 extra payment processing fee from Payoneer to your Nigerian bank account. And another downside of using Payoneer is the money takes at least 2 days to arrive. When I withdraw on Wednesday, the money arrived in my bank account on Friday, instead of when you withdraw from Upwork, the money will arrive within 1 to 2 hours. So those are the two downsides of withdrawing from Payoneer to your bank account instead of withdrawing from Upwork to your Nigerian bank account. And for me, it's really worth it to just follow the process of using Payoneer to get my dollars, to withdraw my money in dollar and change it in the market, instead of withdrawing and use the official rate of changing dollar to my Nigerian bank account. So that's it. That's the easy process of withdrawing your money from Upwork to your Nigerian bank account. But just remember, if you work on Upwork, the moment you submit a project, you complete a project, you are not going to be able to withdraw the money right away. The money is going to be in review. The review is going to take 5 days, depending on whether you are working on a fixed term contract or whether you are working on an hourly project. When you finish your work, the money is going to be in review. The money has to be available for withdrawal before you will be able to withdraw your money. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.